Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss types of parts of speech. So let's start with 8 parts of speech in the English language. These are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, interjection, conjunction and prepositions. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. Type 1, noun. Okay. So all naming words are noun. Okay. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Okay. For example, Ram, Shimla, chair, sugar, etc. Okay. So type 2, pronoun. Okay. It is used in place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Okay. So type 3, verb. Okay. It is an action word. Okay. Example, go, do, play, think, etc. Okay. So type 4, adjective. Okay. It tells us about nouns. Okay. An adjective is a word which modifies a noun and pronoun. ओके जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को मॉडिफाई करता है उस वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं. ओके इन शॉर्ट नाउन और प्रोनाउन की क्वालिटी को जो वर्ड बताता है दैट इज एडजेक्टिव. ओके फॉर एग्जांपल गुड, बैड, थिन, फैट एक्सेट्रा. ओके सो टाइप 5, एडवर्ब. ओके इट मॉडिफाइज अ वर्ब or an adjective. Okay for example badly, slowly, quickly, etc. Okay so type 6, that is preposition. Okay it shows relationship between two things. Okay जो two things के बीच में relationship बताता है that is preposition. Okay for example from, to, by, on, etc. Okay so type 7 is conjunction. Okay so joining words are called conjunction. Okay for example or, and, what, because, etc. Okay so type 8, that is interjection. Okay it expresses emotions of mind. Okay for example alas, ah, oh, etc. Okay जो माइंड के इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उन वर्ड्स को हम इंटरजेक्शन बोलते हैं. ओके सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. सी यू सून इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर.